Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find the YouTube channel email address. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up YouTube channel on your laptop or your mobile phone. So after opening up YouTube and open up any of the channel of which you want to fetch the email address. And suppose I have opened the channel which is Mr. Who's the Boss and I want to fetch the email address of Mr. Who's the Boss. So it's pretty simple. In your mobile phone, there should be sections like home videos, shorts, live, playlist, community, and the last should be about. So you guys have to tap on about section on your mobile phone, and in the laptop, you guys have to simply click on the this arrow icon, which is below the name of the channel. So you just have to click on it, and after clicking on it, here you guys can be able to see a description and about and social media profiles of Mr. Who's the Boss. You guys have to just click on view email address and click on I am not a robot and click on submit. So after clicking on submit, here you guys can be able to see the email address, and in this way you guys can be able to get email address of any YouTube channel, and it works on 95% of channel, and 5% of channel are those who hide their email address. So you guys can be able to see email address in this way. That's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.